Another AI question we get is, can AI handle my customers as well as I do? And the answer is no, it can't. You have knowledge about your business, you have experience, you have wisdom, you have context in ways that no AI agent's ever going to be able to do. So we get that a lot. It's like, well, they don't know, AI doesn't know everything that I do. Well, there's a few ways to kind of get around that. One is to limit what you want AI to do for your business, right? Like, we can really ring fence and say AI is going to be used to do this, this, and this. It's not going to be able to do this, this, and this. And so for these three scenarios, we transfer to human. For these three scenarios, we want AI to take care of that for us. And again, it differs for every business, but AI can book an appointment, AI can answer a question, it can rebook, it can look up a bill, it can do things that administratively might take time or that don't require a lot of context, just requires looking into a database. It might not know the better solution between two different alternatives, and you may just have that experience and know just what works in your geographic area for your type of customer. And so that might be an example of something that you want to pass off to a human. The goal is, though, that people get afraid of AI and they're like, well, let's not use it at all. And that's not how you should think about it. A lot of companies aren't. We employ, for our agents that we put into customers, what we call a knowledge base. And in that knowledge base, we really kind of do a huge data dump of everything about your business, about the customer's business, that we want the agent to know about. And that can be everything from your office hours to your service areas to the services, products and services. You don't have someone who wants, hey, I only want a natural, based product or something to use. And we can know if that, what your products are made of, or what the ingredients are, what the components are, for instance. You can have AI kind of focus on your philosophy, on what allow to happen over the phone. Like, you really kind of tailor it to your business. You can take your tone. You can even take your voice. You can clone your voice and it sounds like you on the phone. But in other areas, it can also be trained to say, this is not an area that I'm equipped with. Let me transfer you, or let me take your information. I'll have someone call back to you. So a lot of people think AI is all or nothing, and they go, AI can't do everything I can do, so let's not use it. That's not really the approach. Think of all the things that you could offload that would allow your team more time to do other things that they can't get to now. That's really what you want AI to be deployed to do. And by building a knowledge base of your business so that the agent gets to know you, and we engage with it and kind of deploy all of the information about your business, everything from prices to operating hours and everything in between. Then you can offload a lot and kind of ring fence what you want the AI agent to do. And that's where we really see a lot of applicability for AI in home service businesses today.